Yeah, 25K is enough just for a start, because if you get a bigger evaluation, you have to make more. Your target is higher, and I think a small target is good to start. Maybe I will go bigger if I pass this, if I don't blow this account. But yeah, 25K was enough for me.
Amazing. I do say all the time that you got to start small, right?
Yes.
Just build that, understand that you're doing the right thing, that you understand the rules, that you can actually make money on 25 or even 5K.
Yes.
And then whenever you prove to yourself that, you can
Yes.
always take a payout and go and buy the highest tier.
That's what I'm thinking. Yes, if I do well with this, I probably go up a little bit. Yes.
Welcome everybody to another funded trader of TradethePool. Today, Carol is with me, a new funded trader of the $25,000 buying power, the Flex account. Thanks for coming, Carol.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, Carol, let's dive into your trading evaluation, the one that you passed. I saw that you already traded a few times before that.
Yes.
So you had a few attempts. Tell me a little bit about the experience in the last one that you did pass. What is difference between this one and the previous that you did that reached termination?
Okay, I started doing TradethePool. I found it and I was like, it was really cheap to get in, and I think I wasn't very serious in the beginning in doing it. I was just trying it out, and from watching the interviews and seeing that people are doing it and doing it successfully, and the fact that it's not expensive to get into TradethePool. You can start from $95 to depend on how much you want to spend. So when you started the Flex, I thought that was a better fit for me because you don't have a time limit. So I think I did one Flex before and I didn't succeed. But then when I did this one, I was trying to pass. And of course, I had to get back in twice because I did the daily pause and then I got back in. And so this one it was intentional to pass.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I said how many before you did? I'm looking at it now.
A
I see
few.
one, two, three, four. Yeah, four of them. And you also been with us in the competition. You traded the competition account.
Yes, I did. I did a little bit competition.
Yeah, the all for one competition. It was a great one for sure.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so Carol, a bit about your background. How long you been trading for?
Okay, so I've been trading Forex for about 11 years.
Wow.
And I also traded futures. And in 2024, I started looking at stocks, but I started looking at options. And that's how I found, from searching on the internet, that's how I found TradethePool, and eventually started to try to day trade stocks.
Wow. Okay, that's amazing. Actually, coming from Forex background,
Yeah.
going all the way to stocks. What got you to the point when you shift from Forex to futures and futures to stocks?
Well, I didn't really shift from Forex. I was trying both, and when you're doing too many things, it's like you're making a mess. And then I never looked at anything else but Forex for all these years. From looking at videos and seeing what people are doing, I saw a video about options, and I'm like, oh my God, I never thought of this. And then I started to look into it, to look at videos and see what's done and how to do it. I got into futures, and I started looking for people for funding because I've never had funding in stocks before. So then
Yeah.
I found TradethePool, and that's where it began for me.
Amazing. How did you like the experience so far?
on Tradepool. It's very good. I like it because I like the platform. I like the fact that you can put your stops where you want. You can risk how much you want. You can basically do your charting on the platform and everything. So I like that.
Do you think that 25K to trade with is enough capital to?
Yes, yeah. 25K is enough just for a start because if you get a bigger evaluation, you have to make more. Your target is higher, and I
Mhm.
think a small target is good to start. Maybe I will go bigger if I pass this, if I don't blow this account. But yeah, 25K was enough for me.
Amazing. I do say all the time that you got to start small, right? Just
Yes,
build that, understand that you're doing the right thing, that you understand the rules, that you can actually make money on 25 or even 5K. And
yes.
then whenever you prove to yourself that, you can
Yeah.
always take a payout and go and buy the
That's
highest
that's
tier.
that's what I'm thinking. Yes, if I do
Okay.
well with this, I probably go up a little bit. Yes,
Alrighty. Let's dive into your trading a little bit.
I didn't do a good job, but I passed.
Yeah, you did fairly good. I'm gonna share my screen and show the guys at home how it looks like. Is that something that you do also on? Are you trading your own capital right now on the broker?
No, no, I'm not. I'm not
Okay.
trading.
So, for those of you not familiar, every trader gets his own dashboard. The dashboard will show you your stats, the risk parameters, and you can really understand your progress and look at your equity curve. You can also check your achievements and payouts and customize your view, switch between light mode and dark mode. Alrighty, so we're looking at your account right now, your evaluation account that you passed at 25K to trade with. You needed to reach a 6% target. That's it. That's what you need to do without losing 4% in that case, which is $1,000, and a daily pause that stops you for that day, but it will give you the opportunity to come back next day. uh,
Yes,
500 at least in this account in the 25. So you started kind of sideways, went down a little bit, found your rhythm, and then had a drop before bouncing up again. Tell us a little bit about this time, the drawdown, the time when it didn't succeed.
yes, because I think I was over leveraging, and I I tried to trade the TSLL. It's really so volatile.
Yeah, for sure.
So sometimes, and because I think I sort of understand how to trade that stock,
Yeah.
but sometimes it just goes against me. I try to put my stop at break even when I can. I just did not see what how it was coming back against me, and I lost twice. you know
Yeah, so I can definitely understand, and especially when it comes to trading those leverage ETFs, right?
I think that's the one that I understand how to trade. I've been looking, and I see the people trading the penny stocks,
Mhm.
but I don't understand how to do it yet. So I've been looking at it, but I don't understand how to do it yet. So I just stick with what I know to do.
It is great to see you doing that. I just had another interview with TW, a college guy, been trading for 4 months, passed the evaluation in 2 attempts, trading $200,000 of buying power, already up by $2,000 on his funded
Yeah,
account. And the only thing that he does is trading Tesla, nothing
yeah,
else.
yes. Well, I'm not doing the Tesla because I think this one works better for me so far. Yeah, I'm trying out different things like Apple, and I've been trying different ones and see what works best for me.
Yeah, and your I'm looking at your stats here. It looks pretty decent. I mean, you're trading. Let's see that. Okay, so you have a risk reward of 2.9, which is amazing,
Good.
especially for day trading, and
Yeah,
the success rate 43%. It's also very decent. The profit factor is 1.80 65. Sorry,
yeah,
so very decent numbers. And like you said, you're focusing on what you understand or what, and this is a great, I guess, with what you just mentioned, this is a great advice for those of you listening. You know, take a niche, right? Trade something that you can understand, something that you go in depth and really analyze it and focus on that. Once you realize that it works and you want to maybe expand, you can do that. But at first,
Yes.
find your niche, right?
Yes. I mean, I'm trying my best, and I hope that to not to fail this.
Sure, you will do great. I mean,
Thank
I'm
you.
looking at your funded account. You're already up by $2,000,
I
right?
am. Are you sure?
Okay, no, that sorry, I just looked at the evaluation account.
No, no, because it's not active yet. I don't think it's active.
No, I see it. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
it's not active yet.
got it,
Oh
got
well, I would like to be.
it. It was a great start, right?
Yes, yeah, that would be a great start for me. Yes.
Amazing. And what about your, you trade in those leverage stocks or, very common stocks. What is it that you do? What's the strategy type looks like?
Okay, so I trade a little bit of smart money. I don't know if you know heard of like ITC. I look for with stocks. It's sort of different to what my trading, but I look for levels where the market will, if it takes a high, it will come back to to mitigate the fair value gap and go and then go. So I look at a lot of ICT videos and stuff.
Hmm.
So that's basically my strategy.
Do you use any indicators?
Yes, yes, I use so what's that indicator? Well, it's oh my gosh. I used it first. I used the 20. I used the 20 simple moving average. I also used the Heikin Ashi candles.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yeah,
Interesting.
yeah.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about that. What do you do with the Akinashis?
Well, because I look at levels where the candles change, because I have also like a hundred moving average, and like below the 100, I look for the Hibonacci, the change of the candles to sell, and above I look for the change of the candles to buy. So
Okay.
basically that's one chance, and then also together with the 20 simple mover on average, because the price for the 20 goes with the candles with the price. So I look to see if it breaks it to go higher or it breaks to go lower. So that's basically how
Nice.
I find my trades. It's simple. I mean, it's not, I don't have any you know
It is, and it should be at the end of the day. Is that something that you do, by the way, for on your forex trading as well?
Yes, yes, I do. I do. Well, Forex, I use a lot of smart money concepts.
Okay.
But yeah, but stocks is a little different because the way it moves. Sometimes you get a sudden. I don't like to trade the open because the open is like you never know what to expect.
Yeah, very
So
volatile.
I wait until like after like 10 o'clock
Okay.
to start looking for positions.
Yeah, and it's great that you mentioned, because we do have forex traders that watching this and also trading with us.
Yes, yes, because even futures traders, because I also trade with another people for futures, and they're always calling out where the stocks and stuff like that.
Interesting. Alrighty. So from here, first of all, thanks for coming, Carol. It was
Thank
great.
you. Thank you for having me.
Hopefully, the guys that just listened enjoyed it and will join Tradethepool. If you want to join us, go to tradethepool.com. You got 14 days free trial to test the system, to play with the trading platform, just to get the hang of it. Super, as you said, Carol, it's super intuitive, very user friendly. I do like what we currently have, the Trader Evolution platform. And you got all the tools that you need, the indicators and such.
Yes.
Alrighty. So again, thanks so much, Carol. And guys, we will see you on the next video. Take care for now.
Thank you so much, Michael. Thank you.